I'm thrilled to share with you the top 5 strategies that skyrocketed my channel from 0 to 5,000 subscribers and 750,000 views in just 114 days. I spent 2 weeks collecting the data, writing the script, designing the graphics, and in that time I gained another 100,000 views and 918 subscribers. So I guess the video now is what I learned growing to 6,000 subscribers. Okay, let's dive in. Have you heard of Jenny Hoyos? She's a master of YouTube Shorts who averages 10 million views per short, and she has over 2 million subscribers with just 121 videos. Here's an interview where she talks about average view duration.
So to have that 90+% retention, which is in my opinion, the bare minimum for a short to blow up, you need them to watch it again.
So 90% is your benchmark. That's what you're looking for retention, for something that will have the virality and reach that you're accustomed to at this point.
For the most part, yes, but my average retention is 95%.
Okay, Jenny's goal is 95%, which can feel hard, especially when you're starting out. My early shorts were boring and terrible, with many below the 20% average view duration. I just kept trying different approaches, and now I'm sitting at 116% average view duration for the lifetime of my channel. If you're below 50%, I recommend that you just pause making shorts and research other channels in your niche. Look at their examples that have done very well to see how you can tweak your own. Jenny said she looked at thousands of shorts to figure out her own style. I've only watched a few hundred, but I'm always taking notes and trying to improve each video I make. Just keep making changes until you hit the sweet spot where your viewers can't help but watch until the end. You only need to find it once, and then you can just use that as a template for the rest of your channel. Tip 2. I believe thumbnails will make or break your YouTube success. According to Jenny, you're aiming for an 85% scroll through rate, but I haven't cracked that yet. I'm only averaging 40%. If you don't know how to calculate this, it's just number of views divided by the number of times you're in the shorts feed. Here's a chart for all my shorts, along with how many views each one got. I've had 3 videos over the 60% mark, but that's my best so far. When most people upload a short, they just let YouTube pick the thumbnail. And this is your only option if you're on a PC. However, if you use the YouTube app on your phone or iPad, you can set a custom thumbnail. Remember, I believe thumbnails will either make or break a video's success, and most people are just leaving it to chance. This is awesome because if you take a few extra minutes to customize your thumbnail, you can get a huge advantage. I'm far from a technical expert, so I'll include a link to a step-by-step tutorial in the pinned comment to this video. Here are my stats month by month. I reached a peak in November, and then I began experimenting. I'm fine making some duds, because I only need to find something that really takes off once. Tip 3 comes from our friend Anthony over at Tortoise Cashflow. He started a faceless channel about the same time I did, and we've been comparing stats. Anthony has had a lot of success with some long-form videos and convinced me to give it a try. Here are my stats so far. Each of my shorts video averages 3,479 views and 24.2 subscribers. Each of my long-form videos averages 229 views and only 0.8 subscribers. Why in the world am I suggesting making videos that take 5 times as long to create and get 93% less views? Well, you see, the revenue for short videos is about 6 cents per 1,000 views. So each of my videos would now only be generating about 20 cents. From my research, long-form videos in this niche have an RPM of about $5, so the 229 views is worth about $1.15 per video. The bigger channels on this topic average about 6,000 views. This means that each of their videos generates a tad over $30 per day, or $1,000 a month. Also, long videos will be a far easier way to get monetized. At my current rate, I'd need to publish 31 shorts per day to hit the monetization threshold. But I only need to publish 2.29 long videos per day to hit the monetization threshold. I also expect the number of videos to go down dramatically as my audience gets more accustomed to watching my long-form videos. Okay, the next tip is crucial, and it's the shorts feed. When it comes to shorts, YouTube will promote between 2 and 3 shorts per day in their feed. That's it. As a test, I've tried to publish 4 in a day a couple times, and that resulted in YouTube throttling my account. This means I only have 60 to 75 slots per month. I treat these as dailies in a video game, where if you miss one, it's just gone, and there's no way of getting it back. The shorts feed is so important. Here's a screen cap where 85% of my overall traffic in the last 48 hours came from the 4 most recent videos. The 220 videos that were not in the shorts feed contributed only 15% of the views during that time. My approach is to batch the videos, so I have a backlog, which makes it much easier not to miss one of those slots. Last, and definitely not least, is something I think a lot of YouTube gurus got wrong. And I think this is why so many people say that shorts ruin the channel. I've heard many experts recommending creating shorts as a funnel to your long-form videos. I tried this on one of my long videos and it was a disaster. Here's the stats. The people who came from search had a view duration of 49%, browse 26%, and related shorts only 5%. Remember, these are people that have already watched all of one of your short videos and expressed an interest to see more, and they're leaving in 10 seconds. However, when I link them to another short video, the view duration is over 80%. Think of it like this. It's like a friend asking you to change a light bulb, but when you show up, they actually want you to install a whole new ceiling fan. That's a no-go. Similarly, after you enjoy a 30-second short, viewers are ready to invest a few more seconds, not minutes or hours with your content. So always link your shorts to other shorts and not long-form videos. Thanks for watching. I've included links to Jenny and Anthony's update videos in the description, and as always, see you next time.